Hello, Blossom Babes. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time tuning in, my name is Angel Rene'a. And today I will be showing you how to install a glueless 5x5 lace closure unit. Stay tuned. All of my wigs are mostly glueless. Like, you don't have to use glue or lace spray to keep your wig on. And I'm going to show you. Watch this. And get some clips so the clamp to stay back. It took the front off. Yes. All of my ends. Good. Cut the whole front off. And if you want your wig just like this, just ask for a pre-cut lace. I didn't need no glue. I didn't need no glue at all. You see that? That's fine right now. But it's no glue. No glue. What y'all think? What you think? You like it? I look good with it. Mr. Hightower, do I look good? Type of, you know. Glueless. Oh, glueless. You don't need no glue. And I didn't even put a little makeup on there. I just threw that on. And you can take it right off too. Boop. Just like that. Yeah. Okay, so I just want to get my hair a little more flatter than a hot comb. I think it's very flat, but I wanted to try the iron joint. Okay, it's getting hot. We're gonna try this. See how this hit. Oh shoot. Yeah, I see that. You know, she like.
Oh, damn.
Ah, got my ass.
I'm sorry.
Shit's hot. I know I'm gonna have a fucking scar. That shit. Wicked. was. Hopefully I don't have no scar. I'm gonna put some cocoa butter on that tonight. But yeah. It did look good. I got it to where I needed it to be. Hot now. Alright. Yes, it's 100% glueless, meaning you do not have to apply lace glue. You see that? It comes on and off. And yes, you better go get you one of these. Link in my bio. And this is the REL unit. These are available for purchase as well. I really look good in red, and I'm loving this. Yes. I think that's just so amazing that you don't have to apply lace glue, even though I am prone. I do love lace glue as well. But this is a 5x5 closure, and it don't need no glue. You don't even have to use no milk spray. Just pop that thing on, take it off at night time when you're ready, you know?